How's it guys doing? Welcome back to another episode of our channel. Guys, reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, UX audits. My contacts are down below. Like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. I'd like to know what you guys are thinking. For those of you who are new or this is your first episode watching, my name is Carlos Pesan and I'm a UX UI designer. And please feel free to check out my previous episodes so that you know what the channel is all about. Let's go. All right, guys. I have here, we are going to design an onboarding pages. Onboarding pages for today. Okay, cool. Let's start here. F for frame. Or something like that. F for frame. Cool. Now, I should say this is the welcome page, right? Let me just get this. For those of you that don't know, this is the iOS, it's part of the iOS library, right? Where you guys can get these components such as the header. For example, you guys get the header there. In the next episodes, we'll jump into that with much more detail. You don't have to design these things from scratch all the time. You get me? So you can always just download these and you get to work as quick as possible, right? So let's select this. White drop, select the color. Let's put this back into white. Right. How do you design this logo? Let me show you guys. So P for pen tool. Start there. There. Let me show you guys even closer. Something like that. Something diagonal like that, and then boom. Right? And exit. Select, copy paste, put it out like that. Right click, flip horizontal. So there's flip vertical and then flip horizontal. Literally just swap sides like that. Boom, that's what we wanted. Put it there. Then select both of them, copy paste. Put it there, make sure it's aligned properly. There we go. Now select everything. Here instead of stroke, we close the stroke and then add the fill into white. As easy as that, and then Command G, you could group everything. Right? Something like that. Right, so R for rectangle. Let's just make sure. And then here on our rectangle there, let's make this white. And in the text we can make it pink-ish. So something like proceed or enter. Can you even make it, it can't be 17, let's make it 20. And we can even make it this color. Right, something like that, really easy. Now let's move on to the next page. Let's just copy paste. So we can have this, copy paste again. So we can have that, copy paste again, copy paste again. There we go. And then just delete all of this. And these ones select, put it in this color. You'll understand why. These ones select, put them all in black. And then these ones select, put them all in white. Nice. This one select, put it in white. And then this one we change the name to next. All right, something like next screen. next screen, next screen. Because during the onboarding, you want to make sure that the user uses it, one, and two, that they don't go backwards, they always go forward. So we tried as much as possible to not give them the option of going backwards, so always going forward. And this one can be sign in / sign up from the middle. Right. Cool. Now we have there at the top our rectangle. There. How many pages do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. So let's name them properly. Onboarding page 1. Just copy paste. Copy paste. Onboarding page 2. Onboarding page 3. Onboarding page 4. Right. So we need to design 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Select these, Command G to group them, put them in the middle. This color where we are currently at. There, and then the remainder of these ones, just make it slightly like that. Cool. Let's just copy paste. Put it here, put it in the middle. And this one, select, put this one, and then this one, go back to there. Control, Command, paste. Then what do? We select third one there, and this one there. And then Control Z. There. And this one. That one. Nice. Now the interior design. Okay. Let's get our images here. Guys, feel free to use there's icons for 3D icons. There's libraries as well. Feel free to read to find out which ones you want. Let me just show you guys something. Let me just show you guys something. We can go to icons. Go something like 3D icons. Right here in Figma. You see? There's plenty of them, plenty. So I use some of them from here. While there's still opening, but feel free to check this out, right, guys? So let's go back into our episode. There we go. Cool. So select these, copy paste, put them there in the middle, right? Now select this. What is this? How do you design this? This is, you select, you press O for circle, you give it a color, which is this one, and then click it here. What you do is, you don't give it a grading, you don't give none of that. What you do is give it an effect, not drop shadow, layer blur, right? Something like that. Oh, see, that's how you do it. Easy, right? Easy peasy. So just make sure you use it accordingly. You want to use it over there. Let's take this one and put it something over there. Let's take it, put it like over here. And for the last one, put it like over there. Make sure we give in a little bit of space because we're going to add text now. What are we going to say for the first one? T for text. Easy invoice creation. Put it in the middle. Something like that. And then there. Let's just select this color and get this one. Then let's just put this in like 16. Yeah, much better. Create professional invoices and get paid quickly. Just increase the size like a 30. Maybe 28 because there has to be space for the other one, something like that. And this one, let's just put it in like light. Copy paste. What does the other one say? Multi-currency support. Then invoice clients globally in their local currency. Then Control Command C. Almost there, guys. Customer management. What does it say? Easily manage customers' information. And last one, secure payments. Accept payments safely and with confidence. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Please feel free to reach out if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, UX audits, need a redesign, anything along those lines. I am Carlos Pesan. Reach out to me. My contacts right down below. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.